Welcome to OHS All 4 Skills. See more information on health and safety files. A safety file, otherwise known as a contractor health and safety file, is a record of information focusing on the management of health and safety on construction, mining, and other sites for contractors and subcontractors. It is a record of information related to the implementation and management of health and safety systems and procedures for a company or a specific project. It serves as proof of compliance to safety specifications. It protects the employer from criminal liability and proves compliance with the Occupational Health and Safety Act and regulations. What does the law say? Every contractor and subcontractor is required by the Occupational Health and Safety Act, 85 of 1993, and the Construction Regulations 2014 to have a safety file that must be available at all times. The Occupational Health and Safety Act, 85 of 1993, and Construction Regulations 2014 state the following. Construction Regulation 3.6. A client must ensure that the principal contractor keeps a copy of the construction work permit contemplated in Sub-Regulation 1 in the Occupational Health and Safety file for inspection by an inspector, the client's authorized agent, or an employee. Construction Regulation 5.1 The client must ensure that health and safety file contemplated in Regulation 7.1b is kept and maintained by the principal contractor. Construction Regulation 7.1b A principal contractor must open and keep on site a health and safety file which must include all documentation required in terms of the Act and these regulations, which must be made available on request to an inspector, the client's agent, or a contractor. The health and safety file must be maintained by the site safety personnel and audited by a competent person. Our safety management files include some of the following. Every safety file is site-specific. It will be compiled following the client's and the site's safety specifications. The overall information requirements remain the same, and the site-specific documents will be added. When we set up your health and safety file, it will consist of some of the following documents: contractor and all other health and safety appointment letters, Chief Executive Officer, Risk Assessor, First Aider, etc. Notification of construction work. All required occupational health and safety management policies. Copy of the OHS Act. Occupational health and safety management plans. Risk assessments. Safe work procedures, site-specific. Fall protection plan, if required. Incident reports. General Administrative Regulation 9.3, Annexure 1. Incident registers. Reports of accidents. Emergency preparedness documents. First aid documents. Induction records. Medical surveillance records. Safety communication, e.g. toolbox talks. Minutes of safety meetings. Inspection registers. Induction training information and templates. COVID-19 document kit, including screening forms, etc. And many more. Safety files available for office blocks, factories, manufacturers, civils works, construction companies, mining operators and beneficiaries, and all other industries. Your safety management file is site and task-specific and includes your own company logo on all documents. Quick turnaround time and delivery. We courier nationwide. Contact Madeline at OHS All 4 Skills on 066 547 672 or emails provided below.